Here I've got Motorola Moto G50, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So this operation is super easy because all you need to do is to tap on power button and just hold it. Keep holding until it's switched off. And now wait for the Motorola logo to show. This is it. Now you can release the button and wait till your device is activated again.
Hello, Moto.
And that's it. Now you can unlock your device and it is active again. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.